morning. This is Room Service Department. This is John Patrick speaking. How I help you?
Oh,
Certainly, ma'am. But before I take your order, do you have your menu? It's located on your table beside your bed. Did you see it? Okay, ma'am. May I know your name and room number, please? Okay, ma'am. If you're ready to order now, may I take your order now? Okay, ma'am. May I suggest to you our orange juice. It is also under in your continental or of breakfast. Would you like me to add your breakfast, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. Are you paying cash or charging to your room? Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your order? Your order, American breakfast, scrambled egg, with white toast with butter, porridge, served, cold milk, orange juice, sausage, and happy. Okay, ma'am. Your order will be served within 15 minutes. Is there anything else that I can do for you, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. Thank you and have a nice day.
yes?
Okay, ma'am. I'm John Patrick Wentara, your room service attendant for today. This is the room of Mrs. Erica. May I come in?
Yes?
Thank you, ma'am. Sir, would you like me to taste your food? Would you like me to set up the table for you?
No?
Would you like me to open the first thing for you? Is this the air temperature okay for you? Would you like me to open? Would you like me to open the curtain for you?
No?
This is the aircon temperature okay? Or would you like me to adjust it?
No?
Would you like me to turn on the TV for you?
No?
Alright, ma'am. Allow me to present your food to you. This is your order, American breakfast. Scrambled egg, white toast with butter. Provide service, cold milk, orange, juice, sausage, and happy.
Yes, those are perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. Is there anything else that I can help you with?
I'm all good. Thank you.
This is your bill, ma'am. May I have your signature, please?
Sure.
Thank you, ma'am. I will come back after 45 minutes to pick up the tray. Are you happy? In outside your when you have that. Thank you for the have a great day.
Okay, thank you.